Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you 2 new pets coming to Prodigy, so let's get into the video. Alright, so these pets are already in the game, but you can't get them yet. They're going to be available starting on October 1st for Pumpkinfest, so I'm going to be showing you them. So I'm just going to go to my pet book and go to the last page, and they're pets 203 and 204. So this is Plushkin, and it looks like this. It's a little odd, and it says a cuddly doll stuffed full of straw that has been brought to life with magic. Is that supposed to say straw? What's straw? That's definitely supposed to say straw. Yeah, that doesn't make sense. Because I looked up straw, and it's supposed to be like something that connects your bones. And then we have this one, which looks super cool. It's called Scarrow, and it says Scarrow are protective in nature and grow stronger the more straw they have. So it has like this mane, 2 orange eyes, this hat, and it looks really cool. They have like these patches on it and stuff. And then Plushkin has orange eyes. It kind of looks weird. I was expecting it to look weird. But we are going to go into battle with these, and these are also shadow pets. So it says that they are rare, element shadow, health 680, speed 530, power 600, and defense 560. And then Plushkin is health 660, speed 530, power 580, and defense 570. So we are going to go ahead and put these on our team and go into battle and see what their attack animation and stuff looks like. So let's get into a battle. Alright, so we are going to hop into a battle, and I'm not 100% sure if they're going to show up in battle. We'll have to see. Okay, they do. And let's see what their attack animations look like. So first of all, they have Shadow Shock, Swipe, Murkiness, and Dark Glow. So let's see what their attack animation is. So it's not super cool, but let's see what the other ones looks like. So we'll just answer this problem. And this one has Umbra, Swipe, Dim, and Dark Glow as well. And that one is also kind of weird. So yeah, those are the 2 new pets. I'm not really sure why Prodigy is like putting these into the game so early. Normally they would wait a few days before the event actually happens for them to put this stuff into the game. So it's a little odd that they're doing it now. And there is also a new buddy that is going to be coming called a Were-Rat. It looks like this, and it says during a full moon, the rat grows thick fur and hungers for cheese. And we're going to see its running animation in a second. Here's its idle one, and there's its movement. So I'm now going to show you all the items that are coming to Pumpkinfest. Or that are gonna be, quest rewards. So, you're going to be getting this at, 15 battles or something. But, there's the Were-Rat, this thing, which is, Bat Pot. I can't even remember its name now. Plushkin. And then, you'll also be able to get Battle Work. But yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.